I'm Joanne. Welcome to my studio. I'm so excited about the L&A studio tour. I hope you can make it. It'll be really fun. You'll get to learn some new techniques, maybe that you haven't seen before. Maybe you'll get to use a little bit of spray paint, or maybe you'll be able to collage a piece of paper. Who knows? You'll have to come out and see. That is September 9th and 10th this year, and well, it's from 10 till 5, both days. So I thought that I would show you a little bit of how I collage. So maybe you don't even know what collage is. So I used paper, all kinds of paper. So this is music sheets, this is maps, some book pages. Those are really nice materials, and it's nice that you don't have to throw them in the garbage. You actually become a hoarder. you get to keep all this paper. So I'll just show you quickly what I do. I use gel medium, and that's a product that is like, it's almost like paint without the pigment in it. So it's kind of like glue. So I put glue on the back of the piece of paper, and then I stick it onto the canvas, or sometimes I'll collage onto a wooden board. But then I just smooth it out, make sure you get all the bubbles out from underneath. And then I also like to put a layer on top, just so that the edges are totally stuck down. So you see, that becomes part of my process. So if you see all of my work here in the background, you can probably see that. All of these started off using collage as the background. So there's many, many layers on top of that. So I really hope that you come by and see for yourself how cool it can be. Thank you.